Morning guys. Panoorin natin tong puno ng saging guys. Latundan siya na klase guys. Malapit nang gumulang. Isang puno lang siya pero malusog guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video guys. Domo arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you very much.